steering wheel restoration. Here we have a Brookland Bluemels steering wheel. So you can see when they manufactured these, they welded these spokes into this piece of mild steel here with a few spot welds, but they didn't weld across here because this was the days of flexible steering wheels, sprung steering wheels. Now we're going to weld these permanently on so it's rigid and it won't crack again across the spokes. And you can see the Bluemels logo there, and these square spaces on the spokes. And once we've welded it, we're going to use our mould to recast it. As you can see, it's getting the spokes into the right positions to fit the mould.